You just need 1 glass. Take it before she comes to your place. My dear, I guarantee you, when you take this drink before she comes to your place, during the bed competition, she will scream like a dog. She will call you different names, because this drink, when it comes to making it stronger, you get me, longer, energetic during the competition, my dear, you'll be my witness. Because this is the easiest way you can prolong in bed. Just 1 glass before she comes. Trust me, this will change your performance forever. From the beginning up the end. Just 1 glass like this. But it means you have to know how to make this remedy at home. Now, let us go to our preparation. I'm going to come back here and I tell you at what time you're supposed to take it before she comes. But please don't forget to give a like to this video, to comment on this video, to subscribe if you have never subscribed, and please don't forget our policy is, after watching the entire video, share to your friends. So guys, I hope you have realized the preparation. You have realized what you need to make this drink at home. So you just need to relax. You relax and take this drink. And before, when you take it, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I told you, by the way, after completing this video, you get me? Share to your friends on WhatsApp groups, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. My dear, don't be so selfish. Share the video to your friends. And I told you, don't forget to tell us where you are watching this video right now. What's the name of your country? I would like to know the name of your country. Me, I am from Uganda. What about you? Feel free to give a like to our video, to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. But before I tell you when to take it, just know this drink, when you take it, it will make it strong. When you go for bed competition, it will be strong. Your joystick will be strong, by the way. Trust me. Understand? So, this is what it does. It doesn't have side effects, doesn't have overdose. So, you just need to take it 30 minutes before bed competition. Just one glass like this. Why not? This is a powerful home drink which you need to make it at home. Stop crying for manpower.